how to restore default keyboard commands on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings, and settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to physical and motor section and go to keyboard. In keyboard, go to full keyboard access and go to commands. Here in commands, you can see the type of commands, the basic, movement, interaction, device, gestures, and below of this, you can see the restore default. If you change this command, so you can restore by tap the restore button below or restore default button and tap the restore default. So this will reset all keyboard shortcut to their default value. Okay, tap the restore default to restore this keyboard command. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully restore default keyboard commands on iPhone X.